Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor. Today we're going to show you how to replace the Fresh Food Evaporator cover on your GE refrigerator. If you need to purchase a new Fresh Food Evaporator cover for your refrigerator, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Start by opening the doors. Then, pull the drawers forward, lift up, and pull out to remove. Remove the crisper frame by lifting up and sliding forward. Be careful as the glass panel will come out with the assembly. Remove the deli drawer by pulling forward, tilting up, and sliding out. Using a 1/4 inch nut driver, remove the 2 screws holding the front deli cover in place. Then, lift the cover up, being careful as it is still connected by wires. Disconnect the electrical connector by depressing the locking tab. Next, remove the rear cover by lifting it up and out. With the sides fully closed, remove the 2 screws holding them in place using a Phillips head screwdriver. Then, remove the slides. Remove the screws holding the side supports in place using a 1/4 inch nut driver. Then, slide them forward to remove. Using a flathead screwdriver, gently pry the fan connector cover away from the evaporator cover. Then, using a 1/4 inch nut driver, remove these 5 screws. Then, disconnect the electrical connector by depressing the locking tab. Remove the cover. If you need to purchase a new Fresh Food Evaporator cover, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you are getting the correct part. The Fresh Food Evaporator cover comes with the fan motor and gasket. These parts can be replaced individually, but to replace the cover, the entire assembly must be purchased. To install, first insert the cover at an angle, being sure it seats behind the lip on the bottom of the housing. Then, rotate the top into place beneath the air tower. Reconnect the electrical connector, and reinstall the screws. Align the fan connector cover to the refrigerator housing and press until it snaps back into place. To install, align the side supports to the refrigerator housing and slide into place. Be sure to feed the wire through the opening on the left side. Then, reinstall the screws. Next, align the notches on the slides to the tabs on the side supports and press into place. Then, reinstall the screws. Next, set the rear cover in place. Then, reconnect the electrical connector to the front cover, align it to the frame, and set back into place. Reinstall the 2 screws. Then, with the slides extended, set the deli drawer in place, being sure the notches on the drawer align to the tabs on the slide. Next, align the crisper frame to the tabs on the refrigerator housing and set into place. Finally, reinstall the drawers by aligning and pushing back into place. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.